Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to be showing you how to change the mileage in an Audi on this using this X100 Pro 2 kit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description and in the comments box below this video. It's a really good tool and it just works exactly like it should. It will give you mileage correction via the OBD2 diagnostic port. So we're not on an Audi right now because I don't have an Audi to hand, but the process I'm going to show you is exactly the same. This is a VAG car. So we have this tool plugged in and we're going to click on to dashboard. I'm going to select Europe and it's going to go through and load all of the European vehicles that it will actually cover. There's quite a few in fact. So remember, the process for this is exactly the same in the Audi. This is actually a Porsche that we're in right now. But a lot of these VAG cars, you know, the Audis, Fiat, Skoda, VW, and Audis are generally quite the same. You may see this car also has a few warning lights on the dashboard. Don't worry about those. That's for another issue that we have. We have an ABS fault with this car. We're waiting for a new sensor arriving. So the mileage on this car right now is 105,657. So I'm going to see if I can shave a few thousand miles off that. Let's say, for example, you've put new clocks in the car and you need to change it over. So we'll click on to, well, normally you'd click on to Audi. And these are all of the cars that it'll cover. It's just, obviously we're not on an Audi right now, so we need to select what we are actually in. And we're going to click Porsche, Cayenne, and then we're just going to go to backup and well, just go straight into backup and miles. Let's save the file. Don't really want to save a new file. Change. So please input the new mileage. So let's say we want it to go to 102,300. So once I click OK, it's going to reconfirm. It's going to communicate. Everything should drop off and then come back on quite instantly. Might get a few fault messages pop up. That's just because of these faults here. And if we look at the mileage now, it's 102,263. So I said 102,300. So it's within 37 miles if my maths is correct, which is pretty good. You're not always going to get it exactly the same, but that's what it's giving us in this particular case. So it's quite good, the fact that it's been able to do that, as I say, all via the diagnostic port, the OBD2 port. So if you are interested in a mileage correction tool for your Audi, then by all means click on the link below this video. It will take you directly to the product, and as I say, I've done that in a matter of 3.5 minutes there. So it's really easy to do, and it just proves with this kit. So thanks for watching this car tech video. I'll see you next time.